In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture on Discord Mobile. If you want your friends to recognize you instantly, or you just feel like refreshing your look, updating your avatar only takes a moment. With the Discord app open on your phone, start by heading to your profile. You'll find your profile icon along the bottom of the screen. It looks like your current avatar. Give that a tap to open your profile in Settings. From here, tap Edit Profile. This is your hub for personal details, like your display name, About Me, and of course, your avatar. Now, tap directly on your current profile picture. This brings up the option to upload a new image from your device. Discord will connect to your phone's photo library so you can pick a picture you like. If your device asks for permission to access photos, just allow it so you can continue. Choose the image you want to use as your new profile picture. Once you select it, Discord will let you adjust the image before it goes live. Use your fingers to pinch and zoom in or out, and drag the photo to center the part you want shown. The preview is circular, so make sure the important part of your picture, like your face or logo, is right in the middle and not cut off at the edges. Take a moment to check for clarity and good lighting, since avatars appear small in chat lists and servers. A few quick tips while you're adjusting. Images that are square cropped more predictably, and a size around 512 by 512 pixels or higher keeps things looking crisp. JPG and PNG work well. Keep backgrounds simple if you want your avatar to stand out, and avoid busy patterns that can get lost at small sizes. If you use text or a logo, make sure it's large enough to be readable within the circular frame. And remember, keep your image appropriate for the communities you're part of. When everything looks just right in the preview, confirm your selection. Discord will apply your new profile picture and you'll see it update on your profile. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your profile picture on Discord Mobile. If the change doesn't appear immediately in some servers or chats, give it a moment. Sometimes it takes a short while to refresh everywhere. And if you ever want to switch it up again, just repeat these same steps. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new avatar.